Meaning of marriage certificate.
Marriage certificate. Marriage certificate.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A document that provides official proof of a marriage, typically issued by a government agency or other authorized body. 2. A certificate issued by a civil or religious authority to a couple who have been married, as proof of their marital status. Examples. 1. She forgot to bring her marriage certificate to the bank, so they wouldn't accept her as a joint account holder. 2. The hotel required a marriage certificate as proof of our relationship before they would give us a discount on the honeymoon suite.
Marriage certificate. Marriage certificate.